Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to deactivate your Snapchat account. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just get started. Alright guys, there used to be a way where you can log into the Snapchat app to deactivate or delete your account, but they've since removed that feature. So now what you need to do is to go to any web browser on your mobile device, head on over to Google and just type in login Snapchat. And then click on the first result where it says Snapchat login. Now what you need to do is add in your username or email and password. So I'll go ahead and do this to log in. I'm going to add in the password now. Alright, as you can see, I am logged into Snapchat on web. So from here, scroll down and it'll have an option to delete my account. So to deactivate your account, you have to delete your account. There's no deactivation button, but you can delete or deactivate your account for 30 days. So yeah, deactivate your account for under 30 days, because if it's any longer than 30 days, your Snapchat account will be deleted forever. So go ahead and your username should already be in there. Add in your password and then click on continue, and then that will deactivate your Snapchat account. And then, like I said earlier, just make sure to log back in within the 30 days so your Snapchat account doesn't get deleted. So that's it for this quick tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching it to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.